Hi everyone, I'm back with a new tutorial video, and in today's video we're gonna take a look at how to change your BeReal profile picture. Stick with me till the end because this is going to be a short and easy video. So let's get right into it. Head over to the app of BeReal first. Now to change your profile picture, simply tap on your profile picture on the top right of the screen, and then again tap on the three dots on the top right. From here you'd be able to see a couple of options. You just want to tap on your name right here, and you can see from here you can change your name, your username, your bio, and a couple of other stuff. Along with that, if you tap on update your profile picture, you can now choose a profile picture from your gallery, or you can straight take a picture right away. Choose your preferred method. Now if you select a picture, you'll be able to move around and set it in this box. Once that is complete, tap on save on the bottom right, and there you go. As easy as that, you have now successfully changed your profile picture on your BeReal account. If you liked and found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. If you want more of these videos, make sure to also turn on that notifications to our channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.